See better through the camera than you can through the window.
Probably can. Okay, here's the next roundabout. There it is.
Yep.
I don't know if we're going to get the... there's no water here. Seems to be slacking off a bit.
Yeah. All the hail stuff, it's just rain again.
Yeah.
What, you want you, do you?
Full water here, going forward. And that's why, ladies and gents, why I brought the 4x4. There.
Yeah, I'm wearing half of it though. Car's got watertight, so you need...
No, there's actually holes in the floor so no water to drain out.
There's also holes up here.
Yeah. Okay. Right. You know to stop?